Welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from NeoNet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will give you a general oversight of the hardware on your Apple or Android device.
The resources in this video can be found in modules 1 and 2 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking in the link below.
Let's start with Apple. Apple devices are all mostly similar depending on the version of your device. iPhone and iPad buttons and general functions are identical in design. The power button, depending on the model, is located on the right side of the phone. The iPad's power button is located on the top right corner. On and off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Doing so will give you the option to power down the device. The second option is to hold the power button for 10 seconds and cause the phone to directly shut down. To turn the power back on, hold the power button for 10 seconds until the Apple logo displays on the device. Return to the main menu. Selecting the home button once will allow the user to return to the main menu screen. Volume up and down. You can adjust the volume of music, videos, phone calls, or while playing games by using the volume buttons. For louder volume, press on the top button toggle. Alternatively, to lower the volume, press on the lower toggle. By pressing the volume buttons, the volume indicator will pop up on your screen so you can visually see how high or low your volume is. When not in an app, the volume button will change the ringtone volume. Camera. The cameras on Apple devices have two functions. The back camera is most optimal for point-and-shoot type of photos or videos. The front-facing camera is optimal for FaceTime videos and selfies. You can go straight to the camera app from the lock screen. LED flash. The LED flash has many different uses. Most often used as a flash option while taking photos. It can also be turned on as a flashlight in your settings and as another notification for alerts or incoming calls on your iPhone device. Charging port. On the bottom of your phone is where you can locate the Lightning connector. The Lightning connector is used to charge your device or to connect to other iPhone-compatible accessories.
Now on to Android. Android devices come in many different models and designs. Known manufacturers are Samsung, LG, Google, and Motorola. Some design aspects may be different with other models. The power button. Depending on the model, it is typically located on the right side of the Android device. Some makes and models can vary in placement. On and off. Holding the power button for 3 seconds will populate a menu asking if the operator would like to turn the device off, reboot, turn on airplane mode, or adjust the sounds. To turn on the device, hold the power button for a few seconds until the device logo appears. Home button. Select the home button to return to the main menu screen. Volume up or down. For louder volume, press the top button toggle. Alternatively, to lower the volume, press on the lower toggle. Press the volume buttons to indicate on your screen a visual of how high or low your volume is set. When not in an app, the volume button will change the ringtone volume. Camera. The cameras on Android devices also have two functions. The back camera is optimal for point-and-shoot type of videos and photos. The front-facing camera is optimal for selfies and Facebook Messenger video chat or Skype. And most devices, you can go straight to the camera app from the lock screen. LED flash. The LED flash is most often used as a flash option while taking pictures. It can also be turned on as a flashlight in your settings and as other notifications for alerts or incoming calls on your Android device. Charging port. Located on the bottom side of your device, depending on the make or model.
For more information, see modules 1 and 2 on the NeoNet website, which can be found in the links below. We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about understanding your Apple or Android devices.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.